The SweetHawk Approve app is the best way to do all types of approvals in Zendesk, where approvers don't necessarily need to be Zendesk agents. They're actually free and unlimited to anybody with an email address. Nice. So how does it work? Well, it allows you to take information on a ticket and send it to the relevant person, group, managers, or series of people, and once approved, records it in-app and on the ticket as comments and or ticket field data. For everything from budget approvals to purchasing requests to change management, basically anything that needs to be approved, it can be done. For agents, they have full transparency around approval flows, so they always know what's going on. For approvers, all they need is email and they can take action via their own portal. And for admins, it's easy to set up any approval flow you want. So no matter how complex your flows are, if you're looking to enforce and streamline approval processes to increase adherence and compliance, save time and get better auditability, all to improve overall team efficiency, install Approve now from the Zendesk Marketplace. Or get it as part of our full set of apps by installing the SweetHawk Super Suite and dial your Zendesk up to incredible.